Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, new and latest crochet food, vegetables and fruits. Creating crochet food items like vegetable and fruits can be a fun and creative project. You will need various yarn, colors and crochet hooks. To get start, find crochet pattern or different reviews online that match the fruits and vegetables you want to make. Then follow the instruction to create each item using different stitch techniques to achieve the thread texture. You can customize the size and details to make them look as realistic and or stylish as you like. Enjoy your crochet ideas. So guys, I hope you like it my videos. You can also add details like embroidered face or seeds for a more realistic touch. Feel free to experiment and get creative with colors and shape to make your project food items unique. Guys, please see this video till the end and mention me comment section for your feedback and response. Here are some ideas related to crochet pattern. Remember to choose a yarn color and stitch pattern that complements your decor, and crocheting different vegetables and fruits allows you to customize your home look and different styles, showcase kitchen your creativity. So guys, please see this video till the end.